in this video, let's talk about why simplicity beats everything else. Okay, less is more. Okay, so when it comes to words, setting your goals, it could be your weekly goals, your monthly goals, could be your yearly goals. You want to filter it out. Keep it simple. Okay, forget about your monthly goals for a second. Forget about your yearly goals for a second. Focus on those daily goals and those weekly goals. When you start to narrow this down, what happens is that you start to build up momentum. Okay, so you want to filter that out. Once you build that muscle, okay, like, oh, I could do this daily stuff and these weekly stuff, especially on your when it comes towards your goals, because everybody has their own unique goals. Okay, so when it comes towards setting these goals, you have to design a system. Okay, everybody has their own systems when it comes towards setting these targeted goals. Without goals, you're always going to be where you are. Okay, you're going to start complaining. You're going to start looking at the news again. Highly suggest people to turn off the news and focus on you. Focus on you. Focus on developing the better version of you. Okay, forget about your monthly goals for a second. Forget about your yearly goals for a second. Focus on your daily and your weekly goals. Once you start to do that for I would say 4 months to 3 months, because everybody has their own how can I say this, time sets when it comes towards forming specific habits. Okay, some people can develop habits within 2 weeks. Some people can develop habits for 3 months. It depends on the unique individual. Okay, so you want to keep it very simple. Less is more. Okay, because then what I mean by this is that you can focus a lot more towards what you're trying to achieve. Forget about 80 different AI tools for a second. Okay, forget about all those kind of aspects. What is that one thing that could accelerate you to getting massive results? It's like coming back towards the Pareto's principle, right? The 80-20 rule. Okay, what is that 20% that's going to produce that 80% of that result? Okay, so keep it simple. Okay, so when it comes towards this, so for example, one of your main goals is to, let's say you want to generate income, right? And then now you're telling yourself, okay, how to, right? Stick to one mentor. Okay, stick to that one mentor, and then from there just learn and start implementing. Maybe you are lacking taking action. Maybe you're one of these people who are struggling in taking massive consistent action. There's different levels of actions, right? You can be taking actions on the wrong things, and this is why I in my previous video, when we talked about like optimization and tweaking your life, right? This is crucially important. So when it comes towards this kind of aspects, you have to really tell yourself, am I actually getting to where I want to be? And be advised, it takes time. Okay, don't rush things. Don't do all this kind of aspects, and always tell yourself, simplicity beats everything else. Okay, less is more. Chill, relax, have patience, because it does take time. Okay, and I just wanted to tell you that you're not the only one out there that is how can I say this, like overwhelmed and frustrated. You got to stay focused and concentrate towards those daily and weekly goals, and then from there that momentum is going to start to accelerate. You're going to start seeing yourself, you're going to start believing in yourself more that you could do this. Okay, by the way, if you guys would like to check out my free 7-part video series, I tried out many different business models out there, and I finally found one that made sense. Click the button below this video. I'll see you guys there.